This is Himanshu Kumar, and today I'm going to demonstrate cloud security question number 4, OpenVPN questions in this video demonstration. So first of all, I'll just launch instance, and then I'm going to give a name like which is based on my student ID, like is 4153719, and then I'm going to choose the all the AMIs. Like I'll go to the AWS marketplace and find out the best suitable one. That is OpenVPN. This one. Uh, then I click on subscribe on instance launch, and it is taking time to reload the page. Once it is done with that, so I'll go to next and find out the instance type. And this one will I'll go with 32 micro because it is free. And now I'll find out the keypad. Like I've already created this piece, so I'm gonna use only one other thing. Now I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna do subnetting, so I'll have to change some subnetting things. So first of all, I'll go with that. First of all, I'll enable the auto assign by public IP, and then I've already created one. One subnet in last time. So it is HIM and 4153719, which is my student ID with PPC. So I'm going to use that, and then I'm going to save it and launch it. And I think we are ready to go for the launch. And once check it out, like everything is fine. KPI name, I'll just change the KPI name. No, that's fine. Um, Everything is right. So I'll launch instance. So it will take a moment to getting launched. Now I got this one. So I'll just click and move over there. I can see it like my VPN is running. So now I'll just select this one and connect with the server. Uh, I'll use that EC2 instance for connection. So I'm going to use this one. So mm, as of now, I'm just doing the configuration. So whatever I need to do, just check it out. Um, First of all, I'll have to agree with this agreement. So click yes, and then enter to go with the default setting. Now again, I'll have to press enter, and I don't have any certification, so I'll have to just press enter and enter. And now this port is used for like 943. I'm going to use this for no, I'm going to use this for admin access. So I'll hit enter, and this one is for the again I'll hit enter. Now I have to make changes because I don't have to go with the default setting because that might create a problem. So I'll go with the yes, and then again yes, and rest of things will be the default. So I'll hit enter. Yes, my VPN name will be OpenVPN. So I'm going to hit enter. Now I'm going to generate the password. So password will be my student ID and some special character. So my password will be. So again, I'll hit enter. And configuration has been done. I'll have to write down the password, like whatever um, given. Now I'll get back at the this page to access it. So now I'll just try to access through access in any other browser. So I'll open another browser, and then I'm going to use this one as a to access this VPN. So first of all, I'll type the HTTPS. And so it's told like I'm going to use that 943 for the admin access. So I'm going to give that one and hit enter. So I'll proceed for that. My username was OpenVPN and password was whatever I had given. Now I'll click on sign in. I'll agree with this all given agreements. So now I can check out the VPN setting. So whatever like extra changes we have made, here you can see like Should a client internet traffic be routed through VPN? Yes. And should client be allowed to access network services on the VPN gateways IP address? Yes. These are the changes which we made over there. Now, that's fine. Now we'll just check that whether any user are able to access it or not. So I'm going to find it in any other browser or else other tab. Yeah. That's I'll give my password. You click on sign in. Um, I'll have to download this software as per my system requirement. So I will go with the Windows. Once it will be downloaded, I'm going to install it and check this out whether VPN is connected successfully or not. So it is downloaded right now. So I'm going to install it, run anyway. So I've made off the Defender because it might prevent system from this and it won't allow to run it. So I'll have to accept these license agreements and then I'll go install. Yes. Now I'll click on finish. Now our OpenVPN page is opened. So this one is the VPN which I am using. So currently uh, I can connect through these ones. I'll have to give the passwords. So whatever password I had given in starting. Now my VPN is almost connected. Yeah, now it is connected. So I can check now I'll check my IP address whether it is changed or not. So I'm going to open in this tab. And I'm going to go on this side. So I can check this out. My IP address is 106.176.154.238, which is same as given in the VPNs, which is allocated as a automatically allocated by the VPN. So I can see my VPN is working perfectly. So that's it. That was my video.